In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a contact in Gohighlevel. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're on the main dashboard for the account you want to work in. Since contact information is tied to the specific location or workspace you're viewing, it's a good idea to quickly confirm that you're in the right place before you begin. That helps avoid copying information from the wrong contact list. Once you're inside Gohighlevel, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu, and it gives you access to the different sections of the platform. If your menu is collapsed, you may need to expand it so you can clearly see the labels. From that left side menu, click on Contacts. This will open your contact list where all saved contact records are displayed. Depending on how many contacts you have, the list may show a large number of entries, so take a moment to let the page load fully if needed. Now look for the contact that you need to copy information from. In this case, you're specifically trying to copy the contact number, so find the correct person in the list before moving on. If your contact list is long, it may help to scan carefully so you don't select the wrong record. Once you've found the right contact, move your cursor over the contact number area. When you hover over that section, Gohighlevel will reveal a copy option next to the number. This is a handy shortcut built into the interface, and it lets you copy the number directly without opening the full contact profile. Next to the contact number, you'll see the copy button. Go ahead and click that copy button. As soon as you do, the contact number is copied to your clipboard. After that, the number is ready for pasting wherever you need it. You can paste it into another field, a message, a document, or anywhere else you're working. If you want to make sure the copy worked, you can paste it into a temporary note first and confirm it matches the number you intended to copy. That's all it takes to copy a contact number in Gohighlevel. It's a very quick process once you know where to look, and using the built-in copy button can save time and reduce errors compared to typing the number manually.